Welcome back, everyone, to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're going through another profitable flip that we picked up right here on the channel. A 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we picked up at auction. They said it ran and drove. Well, it ran, but driving, not so much. Let's get into it. Spotted this 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee at an auction in Richmond. The listing claimed it ran and drove, so I made the trip, loaded it on the trailer, and headed home, thinking I scored a great deal. Once home, I fired it up, and sure enough, the engine ran great. But when I tried to put it in gear, nothing. The transmission was completely shot. So I dropped the transmission pan and was greeted with a shiny pile of metallic confetti. The internals had shredded themselves. At that point, I knew this was not going to be a quick fix, but I wasn't about to sink money into rebuilding this transmission. I called around and found a scrap yard that had a good used transmission for $300. Considering I paid $800 for the Jeep, plus $200 in auction fees, I still was in a great position to make a profit. After swapping the transmission, I gave the Jeep's interior a full clean. I always make sure the vehicle is ready for the next owner. No one wants to buy something that still feels like a project. This Jeep Grand Cherokee had under 150,000 miles, which is huge for resale value. I listed it, got a clean inspection done, and I sold it for $6,000. That's a big win from a $1,300 total investment. Every state allows you to sell a certain amount of vehicles every year. So what are you waiting for? Ask me in the comment section where I find my flips at so you can get your project today. Here's some solid advice for you. Always check the mileage before you buy and get a clean inspection before selling. Buyers want a solid vehicle, not another repair bill. That's how you keep your flips profitable and moving quickly. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more flips, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Until then, keep flipping those cars and keep on wrenching, everyone.